You can make $2 by watching just one advertisement. In this video, I'll show you a brand new money-making app that will pay you for every single ad that appears on your screen. So let's get started. First, type the name of this app, 𝐷_Slice, into the search bar. Then, click on the first result here. Alternatively, you can just go to @slice.com. Now, this is the app that we will be using for this. As it says there, you browse and we pay, and you essentially get paid for viewing advertisements. Before you go ahead and sign up and try it yourself, make sure to watch the entire video because I will explain everything you need to know in order to succeed. Unfortunately, this app is not yet available for mobile phones. Hopefully they will do it sooner, but for now it is just available for the web, so you will basically have to download it to see my results and my payment evidence from this app. You'll need to download this plugin extension, and once you do, it will display banner ads on websites you visit. Let me give you an example of what these ads will look like right away. I have the extension turned on, and if I go to youtube.com for example, you can see here that it is showing me this banner ad from 𝐷_Slice. Another example would be if I simply go to Google to search for something, it would display ads again, and you don't even have to click on these ads to make money. More information about them is available on the website. Just scroll down and familiarize yourself with that. Basically, once you arrive at this page, I'll leave the link in the description. You want to click here where it says Add to Chrome because doing so will take you to the Chrome Web Store, where you can add the extension to your computer by selecting Add to Chrome. And as you can see, it has been added. You can now scroll down here and click Close. Thanks for installing Slice. Now that the extension has been installed, there are only 2 steps left. You must first create an account before connecting the extension, and you will also receive 10 free slices just for signing up. Slice is a relatively new service, so you should take advantage of it before it becomes oversaturated. Just click Sign Up to get started. And this is what your dashboard will look like now. The first thing you want to do here is connect your extension. To do that, just click Connect and then follow the steps so it's done. Let's go back to the dashboard, and before we continue, make sure you first give this video a good thumbs up and also comment your country below. So this is what your dashboard will look like. It's going to show here some details about your account and your transaction history, like the amount of money you spent on something, when you last made a transaction. This is ideal in particular for beginners as it doesn't require having any skills or anything of the sort. All you have to do is install the extension, and that's it. There is also a payout tab here where you can start cashing out your money. For instance, if you are from the US, you can withdraw your money using PayPal or Bitcoin and just select your country from here. Depending on what country you are from, you might even have more options for payment methods, but they will also add visas here very soon for people in the US. The only drawback to using this service is that it does not work in all countries. The great thing about this is that the minimum payout is only 35 cents, and there are other ways to actually make money with this app, especially if you are a gamer. For example, if you go to where it says Creator, you can see that you can actually connect your Twitch account to this app, and then you can make money by people viewing ads on your stream, so this is a great way to make money. You can also make money by referring friends. If we go to Crew, we can see that it says, invite your friend and you will receive 1,000 slices for when they have been active for 30 days, and your friends will also earn 100 slices for free. If you want to copy your referral link, you can do so by clicking here. I only have one Google Chrome browser, but you can add more if you want. However, I can always add more from here. In addition, I like to look at reviews on various websites, such as Trustpilot. Although 𝐷_Slice is still relatively new, it has a lot of reviews. You can see that it has an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, with 74 of those reviews being 5 stars and 18 being 4 stars, indicating that the majority of the reviews are positive. You can see what other people are saying about it here. This is only to demonstrate what other people believe about it and determine whether it is truly worthwhile of your time. Even though you won't make thousands of dollars with this, the money you do make is completely free. All you have to do is install the extension and let it do its thing. It also doesn't take very long for them to withdraw your money after you ask them to do so. Some even share here how much they make. If I had to rate this myself, I would give it at least an 8 or 9 out of 10. That's it for today. For more interesting story videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for never missing updates.